Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again, and we're gonna repair some more jewelry, or take apart some jewelry, or something, I don't know. We're just gonna do some stuff, and talk while we're doing stuff. And this is the one that I got cut off. I wasn't paying attention to the time yesterday, so we got cut off. So what I was planning to do with this is give it a an extension and a lobster claw. Lobster claw. So come here, come over here. So I do that. Oh, hang on. No, do this. No, do this. Well, it is about midnight, and hubby got called in to do the overnight again, even though he wasn't scheduled, and that makes about 70 hours when he's supposed to be doing 2 days a week. Yeah, so I'm a little miffed. And he just had a heart attack like a couple months ago, and it's really kind of scaring me and annoying me, and let's just be frank, it's pissing me off. And why will this not fit? It won't fit through here. Okay, so that is too big for this. So we need to take it off and open this. And we can use that for another thing. Yay! Wait, this one over here has one of these on it already, so yeah, it's got two of them. Awesome! I can take one of these off and put it on the other side. Awesome, look at that. See? It's got two. That's fantastic. Now I just have to open this one up and take it to the other side. Bring on through to the other side. Bring on through to the other side. Come on now, don't be weird. There we go. Did we get it? We get it. I also talked to my guy again, and he's gonna try to get me some. He's like, hopefully I'll be able to find something for you. But in the meantime, I'll keep doing this. And my dearest Lori has offered to sell me a box, which I have taken her up on, so that'll be a thing. And I also, when I posted on Facebook that I need to find a new outlet or a new source, my friend Jude piped up and said, give me your address. So I assume there's some goodies coming from her as well, which is so sweet. Thank you very much, Jude. You did not have to do that. I really do love most of this community. I can't say that I dislike anyone, but I do keep hearing rumbles of this drama and that drama, and I don't know exactly what they're talking about because I'm never really involved in it. Like, I don't know who's doing what to who half the time, which is fine with me. I don't even want to know. I just want to do my thing and be peaceable about it. Oh, hey, there's another thing that I got that I wanted to show everybody that's kind of hilarious, and I love it, and it's from Miss Thelma. Hold on a sec. Well, I told Miss Thelma when she was doing a live thrifting that I'm kind of obsessed with Her Majesty the Queen, and I have copies of her tiaras and whatnot. Like, I'm really into it. And look what she got. She got me a bobblehead. Check it out. It's Her Majesty, her Royal Highness. Yep. That's from Thelma. Thank you so much, Thelma. I just had to have it. So she grabbed it off the shelf for me, and sent it. So that's pretty cool. She's gonna go up in my jewelry room. She's gonna be judging my pieces when I get it all done. Yep. So that was my most recent acquisition. Because I had sent Miss Thelma a really pretty cross that I got at I think it was Makeup Zombie, one of hers. And I bought a thing, and I think I won the cross, and I had Elizabeth send it to Thelma because she wanted it for her hubby, and I wasn't really into it, so that went to her. So when I spoke up about Miss Queenie there, she was like, "Oh, hey, yeah, I owe you because of that." No, you don't. You don't owe me anything because I sent you a thing. That's not how this works. Silly woman. So, and I'll try to remember, I suck at this, but I'll try to remember to put Makeup Zombie and Miss Thelma and in my description. Not like they need me to speak up for them and help them get new people, but it's the courteous thing to do when you mention somebody in the video. You try to remember to add them to your description. So, or at least that's how I do it. I don't tell anybody how to do things. Yeah, that's just what I do. Try to do. I've failed so many times at it, though. I'll say, I'm going to put it in the description, and then I forget completely. Because menopause brains. Or depression, or depressed menopausal. Whatever. You know what I mean. You know. You're all of an age. Well, a lot of you. Oh, please don't. Well, yeah, please don't, but then you do. We're going to hook this on a heel. Turn this around a little so that we can get it on. Because this, I'm pretty sure this one wouldn't fit through the thingy either. Lord, come on now, don't do this. Son of a... Gosh, I'm having troubles. Here. I don't know, can you even see that? Oh, it's just unfocused. Yeah, that's the thing about fixing things with you here with me. I'm pretty sure that... Oh, for God's sakes. I'm pretty sure that a lot of time it's not even in focus. Lord, I gotta do this. I'm very sorry. It makes it easier if I bring it over here. Or not. Oh man. Let me close this up just a little bit because it's all screwy. There, that's a little better. Might not be as difficult. Son of a bada 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 bada. Murfada durfada. Come on now. People waiting on me to be done this so that I can move to the next one. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it, Bobby. Ugh. Criminy. Please, have we got it? No, I don't want to have this issue again tonight. Really? Grr. You know what I mean? This is almost too small for here. But there's not a lot I can do about that. Come on. Well, heck. See that? I need to open it up more. And then try to close it again. It's the closing part that's giving me issues. Whoop. There it is. Alright. It just needs a teeny bit more. You see how it's a little bit off? Alright. There we go. But you see what I mean when you do it, when you twist it sideways like that? When it lines back up, you don't have to worry about it. Ta-da! And now, it's wearable. Ta-da! That's amazing. And this is a really nice, heavy one. And I don't know who it is, but it feels like Monet, Trifari, Napier, that kind. You know what I mean by that. That weight, that really nice feel that you get with those. So that one was definitely worth a save. Oh, look. That is a dismantle and restring. Now these I'm going to end up dismantling and putting onto a chain or a wire and then putting a toggle on it, because I stink at doing the stretchy ones. So any of the stretchy ones that I get that are messed up, I'm gonna put toggles on them so that they're a little more I don't know what to say, a little more something, a little more durable. That's the word we're looking for. And this is a dismantle. Did I have a dismantle pile? I'm not sure. Because I think this bag is from before I started giving stuff to Hubs to do. This is one of these really big guys. And it's got a ton of really nice prong set rhinestones. They're real pretty. They're nice and shiny. It's actually cup chain, but they're prong set, so I'm going to pull them all out of there and put them in a little box. So that's a dismantle as well, because I'm probably going to need those for something. Put that, yeah, next to the pieces and pots. Pieces and pots. What the heck is this? This is that. And I think what happened was there was a... what? I don't know. I think this had something on the other side that was a button, but then this doesn't make sense. I don't know. Maybe I'll just dismantle this and put the beads in a bag, because I can always use that color seed beads. So that's a dismantle as well. Hubby will be happy. He likes dismantling things. It's his favorite thing. Oh, there's another one of these in here. Is this one broke? I have a whole stack of these. These are animal totem necklaces. I just sent one out to... Oh, I don't want to ruin this prize. It's a lion, so you might know who that's going to. Yeah, come on. Maybe it's just tangled? Pull you out this way? Seriously? Come on. There we go. There we go. I think that's it. It doesn't need anything else. Does it? Oh, yes it does. It needs to be reattached. This needs to be reattached to the other side here. And I need a golden jump ring. Do I have one anywhere? Yes. Let's take one off of here. Nope. Nope. I dropped it. This one. Oh, jeez. Me. I also bought, if any of you, here's another person you can go find on the YouTubes. I just bought a lot of red coral from Carol Bargain Shopping, because I am in love with red coral. I used to have a whole bunch of it, but when we were a little bit short of cash, I had to sell off some of my jewelry stuff. Most of the sterling and some of the stones. So the red coral was one of the ones that went bye-byes. Okay, that is there. Now we have to see if this will fit onto here. This is the penguin one. I looked these up and they're worth about $45, oddly enough, each. And I had like 10 of them. They're like a weird brand, little kind of witchy poo, like Jen, I forget. Jen, something starts with a J. So I'm not really sure. You grab you. I'm sorry, I pulled it out from under the thing. You can't see a dang thing. Ooh, there we go. No. No, 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 no. See, this is tough because I don't know if this is going to fit because it's off another piece of jewelry, so it might be too small for there. Looks like it might be. Oh, that's a shame. Son of a num. Son of a something. Gosh. Okay, we have to find a better jump ring for this because it no fit. It's too big. Needs a smaller one. Alright, this can be hooked back on here. Yeah. I have to go online and get some stuff from Fire Mountain Gems. I don't think I have any more like gold tone. I'd have to look. Oh look, it's got a knot in it. We can deal with that while we're here. We're at 22 already. This takes a lot longer than showing you jewelry, doesn't it? Got one done. Hit. Okay. Loosen up. Come on. It's coming, it's just going real slow. Come on, you hoe bag. I'm sorry, that wasn't nice. No. Okay. Put that to the side. And they have one more piece that isn't nothing wrong with it. Oh wait, yeah it is. This one. Hey look. This will be easy. We can get this done before the night is finished. Before the video cuts out. I'm sorry that last night's cut out because I wasn't paying attention to the time. Not in the least. Alright. Put this back together. That's about right. And the only thing wrong with this one is it needs to have a jump ring put right there. And then this needs to be tightened down. like, oops, come on, yeah, a little bit more, come on. Okay, I do it from here, okay? Oh no, I got it. I just couldn't see that I had it. And there we go. Now that one is also now wearable. See? I fixed it. Cute, cute. Okay. And that is the end of that bag, except for, are you ready for this? It's this earring. It's got a big old cockerel feather and some pheasant feathers and some ostrich and some rhinestones and what does that say? It doesn't say anything. It looks like it should be a word. So I don't know how this goes. But I think I want to take this off and reattach this to here. Why do I have Phil Collins in my head? I don't know. I'm not 100% sure why that would be. And it's the same deal with these hooks. You twist them this way, not that way. And this is easy. Whoop. No, we don't want the ball all the way down in there. There we go. And then we put this back the way it was. Sorry, taking it over here. The problem you have with this is sometimes that little ball will fall down in, and you have to move it out of the way before you can. There he is. We got a big long earring now. And I will take this. Where's the other thingy? Where's that thingy I was going to lose? There it is. Actually, I think this guy goes down here. So we might do something different with that. Now, yes, I get that it's feathers and it's but I don't know why I always liked feathers. Because I have birds. And look at that. That's so pretty. I like the ostrich feather the best. But we will save that for another time because I have not very much time left to do this one. Oh boy, that one's pretty easy. Okay, that. Let's open this back up again. Take it off. Take this one off. Put this one on here. I might actually have time to do this. Yeah, this guy goes on the bottom, I think. This one was a little bit off. There we go. And then this guy. We're at 30, so I'm gonna start saying good night. I will try to remember to put everybody in the description, and hopefully I'm not boring you to death too much. I love all of you, and there we go. Oh, that's much better. Look at that. I think I might want to change these out to my birdie's parrot feathers. But we'll do that next time. And I love all of you. And hey, be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.